So guys, this guy that you are seeing on the screen is destroying the wall ties in this house. Actually, the guy is a tenant in the house. So according to the guy, he said that he doesn't like a house that is not beautiful, a house that is not fine. So he had to use his money to maintain the house. That when he entered the house was just 1K. So he used his own money to maintain the house. So after maintaining the house, not too long, the landlord came and said he should pack out. That is, the landlord gave him quit notice, and the guy got angry. So he said he's going to leave the house the way he made it. So that is why he's destroying all the ties, the wall ties. He said he's going to destroy everything before he leaves. I went through the comment section of that video and people were saying, now you want to go to maintain that person's house now, this and that now. My own is this. This thing is actually a two-way thing. No? First of all, before you spend your money to maintain another man's house, like to work, maintain again, maintain. For example, now, maybe the all those the toilet is not flushing now. You call a plumber to come and fix it. All those things, those are minor things. This one that this guy did, it's not a minor work. Oh. It's actually a major work. This thing that this guy did in this house is not a minor thing. So before you do something like that, you have to take permission from the landlord. You have to tell the landlord. You carry your money till they maintain another man's house. You have to tell the landlord and see what you want to do. The landlord give you go ahead. There's no problem. Where the problem will now come from is now when all of a sudden, maybe 2 months later, the landlord say you should pack out. Then there's a problem somewhere. Because a landlord that doesn't want trouble, that knows that very soon this apartment I will be using it, or my brother will be using it, or my sister will be using it, will not allow you to spend your money like that. Even if he or she will allow you to spend your money, they will be ready to pay you back when it's time for them to ask you to leave. I hope you people understand the point I'm coming from. Because this is not the first video I'm seeing of people destroying properties before they leave. I've seen videos, even shop owner, they will use millions to maintain their shop. All of a sudden, the owner will come and say, pack out. And you see these people, they will remove everything. I even saw when the landlord was now fighting with the girl. Why would you destroy the property? Yes, not be me put am. That's why I'm destroying it. So all these things, I don't know why sometimes humans, something that requires wisdom to settle, they will use like smartness. They want to use smartness. You get? Because why am I saying they want to use smartness? The landlord now will think he is smart by telling this man to pack out so that he will not start enjoying what he did not work for. But this guy now is saying, no, now the way you take treat me, so I'll take treat you. Since you say I should pack out, so I need to remove everything I put in the house. You get? So all this kind of matter, there are different ways to resolve it. Number one, if a tenant is about to rent your house as a landlord, you have to tell the tenant, don't spend money on my house. If there's anything that is bad, call me, let me come and repair it, so that any day, anytime you want that tenant to leave, the tenant will gently come up for your house without issue like this. Anything will spoil. If you cannot even come, you can send money for them to repair it. So you get? From like that, there will be no problem. While there are some landlords, they don't really have much money. So if you as a tenant, you are complaining, they will not do it. I've seen some landlord not care. Even though they has a leak, they not care. So you as the tenant now, you are not ready to pack out. You'll not be like, okay, let me just go and buy zinc and do it, or let me just do this one and do it. You get? So there should be this agreement. There should be this agreement, and it is very bad for a landlord to allow a tenant to work on his house like this, and then all of a sudden you are saying they should leave. You know they work like that. If you know you will tell them to leave a few months later, don't allow them to work on your house. And as a tenant, before you do some kind of major work on another man's house, take permission. Take permission and let them know that you are not leaving that house anytime soon. No, you say once you don't maintain house, you're constantly make you when you pack out. When I even saw that this guy did ties, I was like, now your house, why you going to put wall ties for house so you don't get? I think you won't follow the landlord drag your house later. So everybody is different, sha. So I believe according to him, he said this is what he wants. This is how he likes his surrounding. You get? So what is your take on this? I just brought this video for us to talk about it. What is your take? What do you think? If you were in his shoes, would you have done the same, or you just leave everything for God, or you will take the matter to court? Which one would you have done? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, don't forget to like and share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.